watching out for you. This is Storm Team 8.
Well, the relative sense of the word, we are pretty tranquil here across West Michigan, but starting with Hurricane Sandy last week, we embarked on what's going to be one of the more interesting 2-week periods of weather that we've had in quite a while. We had the big storm, the hurricane turned superstorm, another nor'easter headed up the East Coast here by midweek. Locally, we're pretty dull here. Just, normal old November, early November weather, perhaps a little bit of light rain and fairly cool temperatures until we get to the weekend. The Great Plains, well west of us, could have the first snowstorm of the season, and we'll see temperatures surging up into the 60s by this weekend before things crash back down. So this, pretty calm, pretty peaceful, a little bit on the cool side. Things will get more exciting even here in West Michigan later in the week. Here's a look at Storm Track Live right now. We've got dry weather all across Michigan. In fact, clouds are continuing to thin out tonight. Beautiful shot here on our GVSU downtown Skycam. First night, now that standard time has resumed, and it kind of gets you how early that sun sets. Now to the lakeshore in Holland, still a little bit of that blue and gold as we look into the horizon overlooking Lake Macatawa. Pretty calm night out there. Winds are calm in most locations. We're seeing a little bit of a breeze in places like Muskegon, Ionia, 13 and 5 mile per hour breeze respectively. And so wind chills, we're not even going to show you the map because the wind chills only a degree or less difference cooler than the actual air temperatures, which sit at 37 right now here in Grand Rapids, 39 in Muskegon, and 36 for Kalamazoo. The wider view of temperature shows that we're in the 30s all the way up into the Upper Peninsula. We've got slightly warmer weather off to the west, and the reason I show you this wider view is because when you can look in all directions and you don't see any big warm-ups or big cool-downs, that means it's going to be pretty much status quo for the next couple of days, and that's exactly what is reflected in our 8-day forecast. Our 24-hour forecast shows with the skies clearing out tonight, temperatures cool off quickly. By midnight, we're down to freezing in Grand Rapids, 28 in Greenville, 32 in Kalamazoo. Daybreak tomorrow, shades on the drive to work, temperatures in the mid to upper 20s, so it will be a cool one off to work and school bright and early tomorrow morning. Midday, temperatures close to 40, another cool day on tap, but we'll get more sunshine tomorrow than we even had today. And in the 8-day forecast, we've actually got a couple of days that'll be mostly sunny. Tomorrow's one of them, 46. Weak system comes in here Tuesday night into Wednesday. We've got a 40% chance for light rain here on Tuesday night. Wednesday through the day, a 50% chance of scattered light rain showers. A few snowflakes could mix in. We're not expecting accumulations here. This is where it gets more interesting, though. A powerful warm front pushes up Saturday. We could be into the mid 60s, if not upper 60s by the end of the weekend, and things come crashing down Sunday night into Monday with much cooler weather starting then. We'll be right back.